You talk about the Nifty, right? We
Yeah.
couldn't make it to the fifth week, but I think the action was small caps and mid caps because small caps and mid caps gained for the 12th week, and we could not make it to the 13th because, I mean, after 12 straight weeks of gains, the index actually came under some pressure. And here is an interesting bit of statistic as well. And this is, I mean, I picked up some inspiration from an IIFL analyst and, I mean, is a friend as well. So I basically looked at BSE, all BSE stocks, shortened that list by looking at companies which have market cap of at least 1,000 crores. Right, so there are 1,005 such companies. I mean, actually, that statistic itself is quite incredible. There are only 1,005 companies out of all the listed companies in the BSE which have a market cap of over 1,000 crores. And then I looked at within this list companies which made a profit. I mean, any profit, because I wanted to get to the PE ratio. 251 stocks out of this 1,005 stocks on the BSE have a PE ratio as of today of more than 50 times price to earnings ratio. So I think that kind of tells you. By the way, I went back and looked at what this number was for the same group of stocks back on 31st of March. That was the low, and from when the rally started, it was about 15% had a PE ratio of over 50 times. So I think it just kind of goes to make the point once again that it's been an incredible rally. 63 stocks have a PE ratio of over 100. I mean, these are not small numbers by any yardstick. Now, just to come back to the Nifty itself, so, as I said, for the mid-cap and small-cap indices, it's been the first pullback after 12 weeks of gains. The Nifty on Friday has closed exactly at the 20-day moving average, and that is an important level if you are trading in the near term. From a positional point of view, we were highlighting that number over Thursday and Friday, 18,660, and we've, I think, managed a small close above it, just a couple of points or so. So it's neither here nor there. You need a decisive move, and I think so we come back and look at it, what the market does on Monday and Tuesday before the holiday on Wednesday. Just one point on global markets. Rally in India has been very broad-based, and I think that's a great thing. In the US, it has been extremely narrow. It has been basically all these 6-7 AI stocks which have done very well. Not AI stocks, but stocks which have rallied on the back of the fact that AI is going to eat everyone's lunch. So the point I'm trying to make is it's a very narrow rally in the US, and the view on NASDAQ is very divided. Some say, well, it's going to go all the way, make new highs. Others say that it's ripe for a correction. The only question that is relevant for us is, if NASDAQ starts to correct, will it coincide with the correction here as well, as many believe one is due here in India as well? And I think we'll get the answers over the next couple of days or so. But on the Nifty itself, it's been a crucial close around the 20-day moving average.